Hi guys, I just wanted to let you know that there won't be an unboxing for the Cat Lady box for the month of August. The thing happened is that Cat Lady box shipped the box to us, but it never arrived. It was en route for like 2 weeks. I was wondering what was happening, so I wrote to them and they explained that they had some issues with the shipping process this month. The bucks were coming back to them going instead of arriving to us. So they told me that they could try to resend it to me or I could cancel it. And I decided to cancel the August box because there wasn't anything in the box that was like really amazing. So they gave me a refund and there won't be an unboxing for the month of August. So just so you know. And so I really can't wait to get the September box. I really can't wait. And I really hope everything is sorted out because I really love opening these boxes. And I really hope it's going to be okay for the month of October because it's going to be Halloween. So I can't wait to get those boxes. So I hope you have a great day and take care. I'll see you. Bye bye.